So hello again everyone, been a little while since I've done a video. Pump gears. On doing these switch pitch builds, seems to be the issue is finding pump gears. There are some pumps out there, reman, that I've found, but I have a few pumps that are good, they just need gears. And nobody has gears, so normally on the real old automatics I deal with a gentleman named Don at Fatsco in New Jersey. They manufacture a lot of what they sell. They've got an amazing inventory of parts for a lot of the real old vehicles. So when I did the 60 Dynaflow in the Buick, they had everything. 60 Cadillac, reseal, had everything. Didn't have gears for the switch pitch, and the difference, regular 400 are thicker than the switch pitch gears. So they are 727
Call from unavailable.
and readily available. I'll show you.
Call from unavailable.
You can see about 728, 727, somewhere in there. You can get these all day long. The switch pitch are about 626, give or take. 626, 627, 628, and thereabouts. So I found another place, Northwestern up in Ohio, that I've gotten some parts through before. They don't even have them. So a good friend of mine, Chris Laycook, lives near Memphis. Him and his family used to have a clutch and brake business. And I told him what the issue was, and there's no machine shops in Nashville on this kind of thing that I trust. So he hunted down somebody they used to use in the past for machine work, and look at these beautiful things. That's just darling. So I bought several sets of the 727 thickness gears, sent them out there with the information, and look at that. That is mint. So they cut down the correct side, filed everything, even put the little undercut. I don't know how well you're going to see that, but there you go. Of course, I had them cut on the side opposite the lugs, because your real early 400s, the lugs for the converter are pretty much centered. All your later ones, they got more meat to them. So they're pretty much flush on one side, and the other side they get a little further away. So all these were cut from the side opposite the lugs. So there you go, problem solved. Good people right here. So basically I have several sets of these. Somebody needs new, very amazing work right here, done through these people, Zip Products in Memphis, God bless them, and Chris Laycook for hunting the dude down and making them happen. So there you go. We have new manufactured, correct thickness gears for the switch pitch pumps. Say that 10 times fast. Yeah, problem solved. And I've used one set and one, driven it, everything's perfect, works.